So we usually acknowledge our women when it comes to this topic, but let me tell you, before we go any further and get into this, breast cancer is not gender selective. Men can get it too, but now, today, we're focusing on a woman's self-esteem after mastectomy. CEO of Golden Closet, Sophia Daly, is here to tell us more. That's Sophia Smith Daly. Yes, she's here to tell us more about the best part of the show. Talking about the
breast part of the show.
Breast part of the show.
The breast shot. The breast part. Because we do love breasts. And guess what? We love the fact that there is an option whenever we're dealing with breast cancer. As I say, mastectomy means losing your breast and having to remove it. And so you have an option to help us with our self-esteem.
Yeah. How did this come about, though, for the Golden Closet? How did this all come about?
Well, so we are very much into shaping women's confidence with intimate foundation garments. So as you know, we do bras up to a K-cup. Usually women who have bigger breasts have problems getting a bra. So we went into that avenue, and along the line of shaping your confidence, we know how the struggle can be after losing a breast. So we wanted to ensure that we were there for those women as well, and to let them know that things are available here in Jamaica, and you don't have to travel overseas to get something to regain your confidence and get back to you after losing a breast.
Because you want to feel normal again.
You want to feel normal again. And you don't necessarily want to do reconstructive surgery.
Right.
Yes.
So this is a prosthesis,
Yes.
you guys say it?
Yes.
Tell us about it. I
So
mean,
it
kind of feels kind of real.
Yes, so pretty much it's an artificial breast that replaces all or part of the breast, because not everybody does a radical mastectomy, which is the entire breast. Some persons do remove some breast tissue and lump in the breast, so they do a lumpectomy, so to speak. So we have partial forms for that will help to replace that part of the breast as well.
Give me back
so
the
yes,
breast.
it is made, so some of them are made of silicone, real silicone, because silicone best represents the density and feel of the natural breast tissue. This is how we feel.
Yeah, very true.
No,
very true. I'm actually amazed.
You see, that is why in the store we say don't touch the display, because everybody comes in and does that.
It feels so nice.
It does feel nice, and it helps them to feel natural and normal again.
You know, she says stop playing with it.
Do women come in and have a consultation? Or?
Yes, so you can come in for a fitting. So it's recommended. It is recommended that you do come in for a fitting after losing the breast, and we will go through the process. Of course, it's a very emotional process, so it is a minimum 15 minutes, because we can't just jump into it. We have to get to know the lady a little bit better, know what she's going through, just have a kind of conversation around it. How is she feeling at this time? Because she's going to have to reveal herself to me. She's going to have to reveal her scars to me and stuff like that. So
you're like a therapist, breast therapist.
I am, right?
Seriously. I'm serious. Give me back the breast.
So it's 15 minutes, and we have a lot of options for them. So we'll go through some of the options.
Let's start with this one, because this is
Oh, you want to start with that one?
Fine.
This one, all of them feel the same. So this one is actually an active form. Active, so if you were someone who loves swimming, who loves exercising, you don't have to stop. So we have the active form for you. And so basically it has the ridges at the back that allows the sweat and water to run through when swimming or exercising.
So you put that in the bra?
So you put that in the bra. So you wear this in a pocketed bra. And we have pocketed bras, as well as we have pockets that you can sew inside of your bra if you're not ready to change out all your bra as yet. So this one is the active breast form, and then we have...
Well, look at the one Dwayne has a nipple. That's so cool.
Yes, all of these other ones have a nipple, because it's important, right? You need to feel natural again. So this one is a starter form, so it's a lightweight foam form that you would use just right after surgery. It's lightweight, so it's non-silicone as well, helps to breathe and stuff, and for you to get used to wearing something within the bra.
So the partial form is if you didn't remove the entire breast.
Right, so this is like a partial form. You didn't remove the entire breast, so you have some breast tissue still. So what you do, it comes with some cotton that you put in that pocket right there to get the density that is required for the form. So you don't need full silicone like this one.
Yeah, so you can see at the back. Yeah. You put the tissue.
Right, so you put the cotton. Comes with some cotton, and you put it in there for the density.
Right?
Yes,
So put cotton. So a lot of people may not know this. You went to the Queen's School.
No.
Not the Queen School? I thought you went to the Queen School.
I want
I
to be
went
friends
to,
so
I did Portuguese.
Okay. That's woman's.
That's woman.
Only we can come up with
with-
breasts like these.
You know, and so how much is it? What's the average cost? Because there are women out there who may not be able to afford it. What's the average cost for one of these?
So the average cost for a breast form will stem from maybe US 130 up to 290.
And how long do women have to wear it for? Like, can they?
Forever.
Forever,
So
basically.
they don't-
Once you have removed your breast and you're not going for reconstruction,
Oh,
then
yeah,
you
like
have.
at a time.
I mean, at a time.
How do
You can
clean
wear
it?
it for
You wash
You
it?
can wear it for the entire day. When you remove it, you just wash it off. So you soap it delicately with liquid soap, and then you just run it under the water, and then you put it back in the cradle to dry, and to keep the form of it.
Yeah. So we can feel normal again.
Yes, that's important.
Yeah, because so many
And
women.
again, wearing it has its advantages, especially so if you had one only remove, it helps with your balance and your posture, and it helps to avoid drops in your shoulder over time. It helps to avoid spinal curvature over time. So it's very important that women understand that you should try to get a breast prosthesis just to avoid all the other things. Because if your self-esteem is already going down, then you don't want to be walking unbalanced or feeling like over time you're just losing your posture and all of that.
And what about some of us who want to just have bigger breasts for a night? Can we put one in?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
CEO of Golden Closet, Sophia Smith Daly. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thanks for having me.
And to all the women who are struggling and going through treatment now for breast cancer, we are with you. We are with you. Golden Closet, Sophia Smith Daly. Go and speak to her. We love you. We support you. And let's just keep on making, keep on spreading the awareness that we must check your breasts every day.
We're located at 10B Village Plaza, and our numbers are 876-622-9585, and you can reach us on social media, Golden Closet JA on Instagram and Golden Closet on Facebook.
The best. Golden Closet, Sophia Smith Daly. We'll be right back.
Make it better than the real thing.